Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this very tricky question. Many fail to solve this. Try to solve by your own. Feature in our sorted list by commenting your answer, whatever that is, right or wrong. Please comment your answer to feature here. So what we have 18 1 by 2 divided by 5 1 by 2. So first what we have to do simply, there are many ways but I will do in a simple and stepwise method. Okay. 10 times 2 that is equal to 20, 21 plus 1 that is 21 by 2 divided by 5 times 2 that is 10, 10 plus 1 that is equal to 11 divided by 2. So what we have to do here, as you know, in the fraction the better way is solving with the KCF. KCF stands for keep, change and flip. We have to keep this 21 by 2 as it is. We have to change the division into multiplication and we have to flip this fraction 11 by 2 into 2 by 11. So it will show you here what we have to do. We have to keep this 21 by 2 as it is 21 by 2 and division will be changed to multiplication and 11 by 2 will become 2 by 11. Now this is simple for you. 2 times 1, 2 times 1. 11 times 1, actually this will be not solver, actually okay, bus that one. 2 times 1, 2 times 1. Now 21 divided by 11. So here answer is 21 by 11. Sorry for my mistake. Okay, and if you are seniors then must check out our product list in the description and watch these videos, subscribe channel and much more videos like this. Thanks for watching.